Now that I got, there's 3 elements to trespassing. There's an infraction, a misdemeanor, and a felony. Now, 1, willfully entering the property that you don't have no legal right to be here. I have legal right to be here. This is open to the public during business hours. During business hours. That store, laundry, them stores, those stores. He ain't got no legal cause to do nothing. Now I'm gonna go get it out of his ass right now.
Well, this is getting pretty exciting. So he's going to go out there. And what I like about this video is that he basically gives you the 3 elements of trespassing, something we rarely hear. I think this guy did a brilliant job of explaining to us what those elements of trespassing are. And he seems really happy about going to go and ask the cop what he's doing out there, just sitting out there. So let's watch the video, guys.
Yeah, fucking trespass me now. Jimmy, how you doing, Jimmy? How you doing, tyrant? You know, no, I'm not moving. I got legal cause to be here at the laundry, partner. Arrest me. Arrest me for trespassing. That's what I thought, Jimmy. You ain't got no elements, Jimmy. There's 3 elements of trespassing, sir. What are the 3 elements, sir? I know. I got laundry right over there, sir. I got laundry right over there. You got cameras everywhere, sir. That's what I thought. Be gone, boy. Be gone. Be gone. I got legal cause right over there, sir. I got legal cause right there at the laundromat, sir. You have a nice day. Just remember, Jimmy, 3 elements of trespassing. 3 elements. I'm not doing nothing illegal, Jimmy. I got a legal right to be here, sir. I have a legal right to be here. It's called a laundry. Legal right, sir. At 3 elements. You know damn well you couldn't get me for loitering. I'm gonna sit right here and film you during the course of your duties, public servant. You, sir, are a public servant. You, sir, will be filmed every time I see you, because you're a tyrant. That's right, be gone. Just like the last time your car rolled back when it was out of control. That's right, Jimmy. Be gone, Jimmy. Be gone, Jimmy. There's no loitering, Jimmy. There's no trespassing, Jimmy. 3 elements. 3 elements. Remember that, boy. Be gone.
As the homie Press On would say, yeah. I like this video, man. I thought he did a pretty good job of not getting trespassed by knowing the 3 elements of trespassing. So you guys go say what's up to Holding Cops Accountable. Let them know Sam Joaquin sent you guys, and see you guys over there in the comment section. Peace.